lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Where she be? Where she be? A capital P, I write the prison.
Hey guys, oh let me update y'all. So I tried to do cop for y'all, but it didn't take, but it took up my eyebrows and then it caused like a reaction.
What the fuck? No!
I'm gonna ask her some questions. Mom, how many times were you in love? 3. Oh, how much money does a person need to be in your love life?
How much money?
Yes.
How much money do you have?
Yes.
A lot.
A lot. She said you need to have a lot of money. My mom is like $1 million. Like, she's a gold digger. I've been telling her that since I was like in the 6th grade. And she laughed at me when I said that. But then again, I don't want nobody that's broke. But I could be with them while they build it up. But I don't want to have to teach you how to build it up. I want you to know. That's my only issue. Mom, what was your dream job?
Yeah.
That was your dream job?
No.
I didn't have a dream job. I just know I wanted to be rich. I wanted to take pictures. I wanted to be a celebrity. I knew I wanted to be on somebody's runway. It's never too late.
Get up and tell you a bunch of stuff.
He don't.
Don't cut it too close.
I know. Can you give me a little knife?
Yeah.
Mom, what do you dislike about your generation?
They take social media.
They did what?
They live by social media.
My clothing brand is gonna be named after you.
Are you dumb?
Yeah. What would you change about your house?
What I change?
Yes.
Make it bigger.
Make it bigger. It's one thing you know to be true. She's sweeter.
Respectful.
Very.
For certain things.
What are the 3 happiest times in your life?
The 3 happiest times.
Yes.
Having my kids.
I knew she was gonna say that.
Having my kids.
That's one.
Getting married.
Getting married too. Which time? Okay. If your life was a reality show, what would it be called?
Dough on deck.
Why? Why Dough on Deck?
Dough on deck is because I'm there as a friend. People want opinions. People come for counseling, sympathy, hungry, and guidance.
Okay. If you won the lottery, what would you do with the money?
First of all,
Oh my.
I pay off all my debt.
Smart woman.
Pay this house off.
Okay.
Because these kids will be regular in it.
So we're not.
Or if I don't do that,
What I wish. I don't have nothing I would wish to ask my parents because me and my mom have conversations, so I don't have nothing to ask because I was at work and I had posted me with the naturopath, like promoting it, like, all right, they back. So she's like, oh, let me get some. I laughed because, like, girl, bye. And you live in a whole different state. So she was like, you're just playing. So eventually I gave her a chance. We was texting and stuff, getting to know each other, all of that good stuff. So I FaceTimed her and it was just laughing. Like we would just vibing there. I was just laughing the whole time. Morning. So I had to cut the video a little short because a lot of this stuff I asked was just like kind of like family personal stuff, and I just want to put out there on my channel. And some stuff I just thought I was recording and I didn't get the footage because my phone died, so I was like so mad. But I got more content for y'all coming soon for Thanksgiving. Then I have like a night routine coming up tomorrow, so like, comment, subscribe, cause why not? And comment what y'all think or what next you want me to ask my mom, or what should I do next to my mom or my sister. But yeah, thanks for I'll see my kings and queens later.